I've got the Lookfantastic February Beauty Subscription Box and I'm going to show you what's inside. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. The cost of the box is £15 and inside contains 6 beauty items. Sometimes we get the odd freebie as well. I have a code which is my channel name, Diaryofabeautygeek, and that will entitle you to receive your first box for £12. And they offer a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. You'll find all details and codes listed down below in my description, as well as my discount codes and offers to other websites. Plus I have a Lookfantastic Beauty box. It was a mystery box that was released a couple of weeks ago. That is up for a giveaway on my Instagram and that ends the 1st of February. So if you haven't already entered it, you'll find details of it down in my description. So yes, let's open the February box then. Little sneak peek first. Okay. Oh, starting off with a perfume. This is by Cynthia and this is Parisian Embrace Eau de Parfum. There's 10 mils here. So really nice, decent size. I'm sure I've had this in a different beauty box before. I'll have a look online now to see about top notes, middle notes and things like that, because I'm useless at describing. But I can tell you if I like it or not. Yeah, it's nice. It's nice. I'm sure I've had it before. So let's have a look. Cynthia Parisian Embrace, yeah. I can't find how much the 10 mils is worth on the Lookfantastic website, but they do have the 100 mils, which originally sold for £112. It's currently on sale for £67.20, but it's out of stock. It says coming soon. So it's a romantic fruity floral fragrance featuring peach, jasmine and vanilla. Okay, so it comes from the fruity floral amber family. Top notes are mandarin, pear, nectarine, peach, pink pepper. Middle notes of jasmine, tangerine flower, almond and licorice. Base notes of tonka bean, vanilla, brown sugar and cedarwood. So we've got a perfume. Then we've got Bondi Sands. This is a daily moisturising face, SPF 50 plus, very high protection, UVA, UVB, and there's 75 mils here. Enjoy a sun-soaked day the Bondi Sands way with our daily moisturising SPF 50 sunscreen lotion. Our water-resistant formula is gentle, fast-absorbing and dries to an invisible, non-greasy finish. Formulated to deliver up to 72 hours of hydration. We've added aloe vera and vitamin E to leave your skin feeling deeply moisturised. Can be worn alone or under makeup. SPF sunscreen for your face there. Then we've got Molten Brown. Oh, this is my favourite scent from Molten Brown. Rhubarb and Rose. Delicious Rhubarb and Rose. It's the bath and shower gel. And we've got a little one here. What is it? 50 mils. This is gorgeous. I absolutely love this. I just love the smell of rhubarb. Oh, I love it. I'm not that keen on eating it, in all honesty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's just gorgeous. I did find a M&S dupe a couple of months ago, but this one does have the edge. It does top it a little bit. Although saying that, I need to put them side by side really to compare. Oh, it's so lovely. I really, really love that. I wonder how much it is to buy the full size. I know Molten Brown, to get the 100 ml bath and shower gels, they're £10. So obviously this is like worth £5 then. But yeah, I'm thinking like, is it 300 mils or 500 ml bottle? I wonder how much it is. Probably like about 30 odd pound. But it's gorgeous. It is really, really nice. So yeah, got that. Oh, we got some makeup hiding in the corner. We've got Revolution Satin Kiss Lip Liner in shade Fling. It's got a seal on it. I'll just take that off. Yeah, really nice colour. Looks like it. Let's see. Oh, it feels nice as well. Yeah, that's lovely. You've seen it before me properly, but that looks really nice. Yeah, it is a really nice smooth lip liner. Quite a creamy one. What's it called? A Satin Kiss lip liner. Yeah, in shade Fling. We used to get QR codes, so from the 1st of the month onwards, when you can actually subscribe to get this particular subscription box, if you subscribe before the 1st, then you'll receive a mystery box because the January beauty box sold out, and then you'll receive your February box after that. But there used to be a QR code in the boxes, so from the 1st of the month onwards, I was able to scan it, have a look through, have more information about the products, the cost, maybe have sneak peeks of what's to come and limited editions and things like that. On the little booklet that will come up on your phone through the QR code, it will tell you if there were any variations or anything, but no, I can't tell you. So I'm assuming we'll all receive the same shade, which is Fling. But if you receive this box and it is different, then please let me know so that we all know that there could be variations. Then we've got a product from Avent. We have got collagen, aloe vera, hyaluronic, lavender oil, glycerin, vitamin C, alanoin, age radiance, Hydra Bright, collagen eye restoring pads. And there's a set of obviously 2 there. It's under eye pads. I don't know whether you can buy this as a duo or whether it comes like in a set of 5. So that's for your under eyes. And then lastly, we've got 2 sachets here, I think. Hold on. Unless this must be a freebie and this is the actual product. But we got Grow Gorgeous. This is Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Masks. There's 15 mils here, so it's like a 1-use sachet. Grow Gorgeous do a really gorgeous hair serum, especially if you've got thinning hair. I do have some here, and you might have seen I posted up a video a couple of days ago about products I'm going to be trying on my hair to help my androgenic alopecia, and a few of you have mentioned that you do love the Grow Gorgeous serum. But Intensive Mask, I'm not sure if I've tried this one or not. I can't remember. Intense Thickening Hair and Scalp Mask. Encourage hair to look and feel denser, intensely nourished and conditioned with this unique hair and scalp mask. It says to leave for 10 minutes and you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. If you were to get the full-size pot, that is. So there's that. And then I think this is just like an added little extra sample. This is Kind Patches, Dream Energy, and there's 4 sample patches. What on earth are these? I haven't got a clue. It doesn't even say in the back. Hold on, before I open it up, just in case, I don't know, they're activated if I open them up, like heat masks. I'll just look it up online. On the Lookfantastic website, you can buy Dream patches. So you've got Dream and Energy in here, so 2 of each. I've got information about the Dream ones. They're self-adhesive patches infused with valerian root, magnesium glycerate, hops, and ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. Oh, I can never say that right. Costs £12 for 14 patches. Provides a gradual overnight release of ingredients. But oh, you've got focus patches as well. My gosh, Kind focus patches. That might be good. What is in a focus patch? Oh, there's loads of information there. Yeah, all right, let's have a look at them then. There's information inside. I should have looked there. So those are the patches. And it gives you the amount of ingredients that are in them as well. No, I love the idea of that. I really do. Oh, I'm really interested in the focus one. I'm going to have a look now later on to see more about them and read reviews. I haven't heard of these before. But yeah, Kind patches. So this is like a little added sample. So here we go. Those are all the products inside the February Lookfantastic Beauty Box. I'll just give you a bit of a recap. So we got Sentia Parisian Embrace 10ml perfume. We got Bondi Sands face sunscreen SPF 50. We got Molten Brown bath and shower gel rhubarb and rose. We got Avent eye restoring pads. We got a Grow Gorgeous intense hair mask. Got the lip liner by Revolution, and then these patches. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you a subscriber? Are you excited to receive it, or are you watching this thinking, oh, shall I or shan't I subscribe this month? I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.